Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is Vision Weaving. Today's healing energy transmission is the Zing Zoner. So this is to bring you into alignment, to find that place in yourself where you're zinging. If you're feeling off center, if you're feeling anxious about the way forward, if you're not sure which direction you're going, if you're having trouble finding your life purpose, if you're just not able to put the pieces together to find that groove that you're most comfortable to live through and express yourself authentically. All you need to do to receive the healing is to nod or affirm yes, and I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine, and I trust that your guidance has brought you here at this time. So go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just allowing your nervous system to settle and relax. Let go of all the information, all the data, all the thoughts, all the plans, all the logistics, all the red tape, all the administration of life, all the errands, the to-do list. Just letting that all melt away for this period of time. Letting that slip away, dissipate, dissolve, off gas. Just melt out of your psyche, melt out of your mind's eye. As your body decelerates, your thoughts slowly coming into a place of calm. Take another deep breath, letting go of the day behind you, letting go of the day ahead. Being very present here and now in this moment. Just allow yourself to sit with whatever you're feeling. And first we're going to address any little niggles or any sense of discomfort or agitation, anything that's kind of pecking at you from your subconscious mind, anything that's pulling your attention, anything that's just creating some friction in your energy field. As I speak, allow it to surface in your mind. If there is something for you that is agitating you, making you feel unsettled or restless, just going to unwind that now and let it go. Take another deep breath. You can make a sound as you exhale. Let a sound come through the voice. One more time. Just feel your feet or your buttocks where you're making contact with the ground. Allow yourself to drop in and anchor into the earth, feeling the weight of gravity in your physical body on planet Earth. Another beautiful, sweet, deep breath right here. And now, in the center of your being, in your solar plexus, your navel, we're just going to tend to this area, give it some love. Just unwind what is being held in there. Just unravel what no longer serves. Allow it to dissipate and dissolve any energy that you've been holding, compacted, contracted, lodged, embedded. Just allow it to dissolve. Be mindful of the breath as we do this. And now front and back of your navel, of the solar plexus, your power center. We're giving that some beautiful healing energy. It's a pulsing, golden, sparkly infusion of goodness, infusion of power from the source of all creation. Golden sunshine right here into this area, and as it fills the cup, as it fills this vortex, as it fills this energy center, you feel it slowly spreading and infusing your whole body as it ripples out to all of your tissues and cells, to your whole body is pulsing and resonating with this beautiful magnetic field of power from the source of all creation. And with this feeling of fullness and contentment, as your cup is filled, as the mind is softened, as the nervous system is relaxed, just connect that power center, bring the conduit up to the heart, bring that golden energy into the heart, and further still the channel open through the throat, through the third eye, and up to the crown, and up into the space above you, further still, all the way into the center of our galaxy. You're connected in to the central sun, the center of our galaxy, and this power now is dropping down through your root chakra and all the way into the ground. You have a beautiful spiraling golden energy anchoring you to earth and lifting you to the heavens above. And it's pulsing, and it's gentle, and it's soothing, it's calm. And as you reside here in this beautiful sense of calm, this beautiful relaxed state, all the things that you have to do just gone for the moment. In this place, beautiful, sweet, rich, deep stillness is your Zing zone. And this Zing zone you'll carry with you into your rest, into your day, from this day forward and ever after. May it be so. So be it. Blessed be.